How should a transition effect like this be produced in post-production? First, add F to the option to intercept a competition. Command plus left mouse button. Drag to make 3 copies. Find the mask and drag it to the upper clip. Trace along the edge of the foreground building. Similarly, drag the mask to the middle clip again. Trace points again along the edge of the distant building. After completion, come to frame 16. Press N on the keyboard to mark and select the upper, middle and lower layers of clips. Keyframe the location information. Then come to the first frame. Pull down the Y-axis of the position information until the picture is completely invisible. Then select the segments individually. Click Transform, right-click and select Smooth. Then extend the bottom gray strip. Stagger the clips according to the rhythm you want. Finally, the subsequent video clips are spliced to the end of the transition effect. Add a motion blur effect. Such a different transition effect is ready.